Okay, so these ribbons have been now disconnected. So all I've done is taken the panel off, which looked like...
No, I was talking with my father. I said, bring this, bring this, bring this. You know, this finish, bring this. And then I said,
so that's the only panel I've removed. As you can see there was 2 rubber clips. I've taken it off. There were a couple of screws there that I've unscrewed. You don't need to do them, as there are no screws underneath. And there were 3 screws there, as you can see there. One is in the middle and one other on the side. So I've removed this. It will come off. Obviously use your nails and take it off. It will come off. Don't worry, it won't break. Once it's all unlashed and taken off, you can put it on one side. I have then taken the batteries off. It had 3 screws. Obviously unscrew them. It will come off. There are now a few ribbons, as you can see. Take all these ribbons out. Remember to put them back on again. This ribbon off, this ribbon off. So we have to take all this steel panel out. That's what we need to do. We need to take this motherboard off, the fan, the processor, and obviously the side panel. That's what we're going to do.